Welcome to Learn with Gravity, your go-to channel for mastering new AI tools. In today's video, we're diving into how to transform a simple text into a stunning 4K animated video using Pixverse AI, a powerful and easy-to-use tool that converts text to video. We'll be using a combination of AI tools like ChatGPT and ElevenLabs to create a unique story, voiceover, and prompts for the video generation process. So, if you're ready to take your content creation to the next level, stick around until the end as I walk you through everything step by step. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is choose a story for our video. This is the backbone of your animation, and there are a few ways you can go about it. You could find thousands of pre-written stories online with a quick Google search. But if you're looking for something more personalized or unique, why not create one for free using ChatGPT? I'll show you exactly how to do that. First, head over to ChatGPT, and if you don't have an account, sign up using your Google account. It's super simple and takes just a minute. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main chat page where you can start interacting with the AI. For this tutorial, since we're making a kid's animated story, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate a fun, short story. Here's the prompt I'll use: write a story about a cute girl and her adorable husky who live in a beautiful village. The story should be about 200 words long. When you hit enter, ChatGPT will work its magic and generate a beautifully crafted story within seconds. Now, if the story isn't quite what you were hoping for, don't worry. You can easily regenerate it with just one click on this button. ChatGPT will keep creating new versions of the story with the same theme. And if you want a longer or more detailed story, you can simply modify the prompt. For example, you could say, make the same story longer, about 300 words. This way, you can create a more elaborate narrative if your video needs more content. Once you have your story, you don't need to copy the entire thing. Just pick the most interesting parts or key scenes that will translate well into visuals and save them in Google Docs. Organizing your story this way will make it easier to keep track of the narrative as you move forward with video generation. So now our story is ready and we've completed the first step. Moving on to step 2, we'll need to create video generation prompt. This is essential because Pixverse or any AI video generator works based on the text prompts we provide. Instead of manually creating each prompt for different scenes, we can once again use ChatGPT to do the heavy lifting. This time we'll type the following prompt. This is a short story for a kid's cartoon video. I want to use AI generated cartoon videos for it. Please create at least 20 prompts based on the story and scenes to generate videos from any AI video generator. Make sure to maintain the sequence of each prompt and frame, so it helps me generate videos for every scene of the story. After you press enter, ChatGPT will create a list of prompts, each corresponding to different scenes in your story. However, these basic prompts might not always give you the most polished video results. To improve the quality, we'll want to fine-tune the prompt. For example, you can specify the style, colors, and overall mood for each scene. If the story takes place in a bright and cheerful village, you'll want to include details about vibrant colors, lush greenery, and warm lighting. Adding specifics like camera angles or whether a scene should include a close-up shot of a character will give the AI more context to work with. These small details will make a significant difference in ensuring that the video accurately reflects the narrative and overall feel of the story. Now that we have the prompts ready, it's time to move on to step 3, which is creating the voiceover for the video. The voiceover plays a critical role in storytelling, especially in animated videos. If you're comfortable with your own voice, you can record it yourself using any audio software. However, if you'd like to use an AI-generated voice, I recommend using ElevenLabs. They offer an AI voice generator that's free for up to 10,000 characters, which is more than enough for a single video. To get started, head over to ElevenLabs, sign up, and once you're logged in, click on Advanced Mode. Here, you can paste your entire script. ElevenLabs provides a variety of voices to choose from, so take your time finding the one that best suits the tone of your story. Once you've selected the voice, simply click Generate, and in no time you'll have a high-quality voiceover ready to go. Now, let's move on to step 4, where we'll use Pixverse AI to generate our animated video. Pixverse is a fantastic AI tool that allows you to convert text into high-quality 4K animated videos in just a few minutes. To start, search for Pixverse AI on Google. Sign up, and once you're on the platform, click on the Create button located on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll then be prompted to enter the text prompts we generated earlier using ChatGPT. Make sure to paste each scene prompt in the correct order to ensure the video follows the narrative flow of your story. Within minutes, Pixverse will process your text and create a fully animated video. The quality is impressive, and it saves you hours of manual animation work. If something doesn't look right, you can tweak the prompts and try again until you're satisfied with the result. And that's it. You've now successfully created an animated video from scratch using Pixverse AI, ChatGPT, and ElevenLabs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more tips and tutorials on using the best AI tools for your content creation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.